Did you know that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease? But don't worry, there's hope. By making simple changes to your diet, you can lower your cholesterol by a staggering 30%. First on our list are avocados. These creamy and delicious fruits are packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Adding just half an avocado to your daily meals can make a significant difference. Next up, we have oats. This humble grain is a cholesterol-busting superstar. It contains a unique type of fiber known as beta-glucan that helps to reduce LDL cholesterol. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, and you're on your way to a healthier heart. Moving on to another cholesterol-fighting powerhouse, we have nuts. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, these tiny wonders are loaded with plant sterols, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. Incorporate a handful of nuts into your snacking routine and watch your cholesterol levels drop. Now let's talk about dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, with a minimum of 70% cocoa, contains antioxidants and flavonoids that improve heart health and reduce LDL cholesterol. Indulge in a small piece of dark chocolate guilt-free. Last but not least, we have olive oil. Swap out those unhealthy fats and oils in your cooking for this liquid gold. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can lower your LDL levels and increase your HDL, the good cholesterol. By incorporating these powerful foods into your daily meals, you can slash your cholesterol levels and improve your overall health. Remember, it's the small changes that make a big impact. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on transforming your health.